What's up YouTube? Today I'm working on 2005 SAAB 2.0. We have an engine noise, and that engine noise coming from the top of the engine. So first we need to open the valve cover, check what's going on with the cabs, and then we will go from there. So if you have a same kind of noise that we have that is coming from the top of the engine, this video may gonna be helpful for you. So we open the valve cover gasket and we see the camshafts. They looks good, so our thoughts, this is lifter noise, so we're gonna replace the lifters. So now what we're going to do, we're gonna remove the one of the camshafts, and we will try to move the lifters without moving the timing chain. So let's see how it's gonna work. So we just need to move the bolts from that side to this side, and we're gonna loose them one by one from that side to this side. So we just move it, power steering pump, and we move this bracket. Now easily we're gonna move camshaft just one side. To make sure that it's timing in place, we can move zip ties like this. Right here, one here, one here.
did. Remove the cam a little bit and we get to the lifters. Now we're gonna check the lifters and we're gonna check each arm that here inside is not damaged. So guys, we came back to SAAB and we got it some lifters. We're gonna try to put them in and see what's gonna happen. So we get it them, we just slided them in under the camshaft. Now we're gonna tight camshaft bolts. So basically, this is the fastest way to change your lifters if you don't want to remove the timing chain. And if you know it's coming from that side of engine, not this side, so you can lift it up this cam by losing these bolts a little bit, but you have to make sure that your timing it's tight and stays in the place.
Все четко. Alright guys, finally we fixed the problem. So in our case there was 3 rocker arms. They was damaged on one side, so we checked all of them and we replaced 3 of them. We couldn't find the new ones, so we got the used ones, and we replaced them, and noise is gone.